All right, good morning, 7th graders. Good morning, 7th graders. Yes, welcome to our first honor roll assembly. It's our pleasure to celebrate you and your accomplishments for the fall semester. So we'll be honoring those of you that got straight A's, those of you that got some A's with a few B's here and there, and those of you that have exhibited all E's and shown off your leadership skills. In addition, Mrs. Gonzalez is going to be sharing with you appreciation for those of you that step out of your classroom role to lead in different ways, if you're in a club or a committee. So welcome, and we will get started. A little different setting, right? You're spread apart, so to keep the germs away, right? And we are recording this so we can give you the link so that your parents get to see you receive your honors today. You ready to roll? Yes. Are you ready to roll? Are you guys awake out there? Yes. You're so quiet. Yeah, you're so quiet. All right, doing things a little bit differently because the table's over here and usually it's over there. So when your name is called, if you can come up to this side, we'll pin you. You're going to walk over here and someone will help you get ready for a photo. So we'll take all 7th grade together. If you would like to take your mask down really fast for the photo, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. All right? I do see all hoodies should be off. And just a friendly reminder that hoodies should not be worn in class. So your teacher should not have to keep telling you every day to put your hoodie down, right? All right, and everybody looks like they're sitting up and showing respect, so that's wonderful. And to cheer and show some love to your peers when they get up here to receive an award. All right, starting us off with our 7 Habits Leadership Awards, who is Mrs. Marks. Come on up. Trying to do this so that you can be heard. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Ms. Marks.
Happy Friday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the award that I will be presenting is the 7 Habits Leadership Award, and it's given to students for excellence in all their core content courses in the areas of work habits and cooperation for the fall semester. These students incorporate being proactive, beginning with the end in mind, putting first things first, thinking win-win, seeking first to understand, and synergizing with others. These students are leaders every day at Sylmar Leadership Academy. Okay. So first we have Fabian Andrade.
There you go. And we're going to have you go back.
I believe Brianna's absent today.
Okay.
So Brianna, thank you. Alexander Solis. That's it? Okay. Daniel Chavez. Dylan De La Riva. Sofia Gonzalez. Anthony Hernandez. Christopher Main. Mia Newton. Bacha Pena. I'm not sure if she's here. Donna Sandoval? Madison Scholl. Jimenez Yordia. Right, thank you. And I believe
We're going to clubs and commissions.
We're taking a picture first?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna be taking a picture, okay?
I would say smile, but you can't see anything
That's
over
fine.
there.
Take your time out, okay? We're gonna look here. So,
A big smile.
see cheese. I can see he's smiling. The top row is smiling. Perfect.
All right, give another hand, you guys. So hopefully by the time you're in that job interview, you won't be elbow pumping, but we're going back to that nice firm handshake, right? You've got a few years, so hopefully COVID and everything will be over by then, and you can be back to using that handshake and eye contact, of course. All right, Mrs. Gonzalez. So we're going back over here, yeah? Correct. Okay.
All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, Mrs. Gonzalez.
I'm going to call out the names of the students that are leading beyond the classroom, as Mrs. Hump Torres had mentioned earlier. These are students in your grade level that are helping out to do better in our community, to bring out different activities in our school, and or to assist students that are trying to, do some fun to get their name out there, such as our Boo Grams or our Valentine Grams that are coming up, or helping out in our community with our senior citizens. So we want to recognize these students because we know that the students that are attending these activities, these clubs, are doing so much more than the average student. So they should get recognized, and especially because we're recognizing them for perfect attendance and having attended their club and committees. So let's recognize the following students. The first one we give it up to, Angelica Razzo. Come on up, Angelica. The next one is for Batia Pena. Come on up, Batia. Our next student to be recognized is Andre Torres. David Chavez. Emily Bravo. And last but not least, Jenna Lindley. And I know that there are others of you that are also in clubs and committees that are present, but these were for students that have come every Monday and or when they're asked, and that's a big deal. So thank you, and I hope that we recognize more of you in the next Honor Roll Assembly. Thank you.
Wonderful. All right. Coming up to Mr. Rios. So we're going to come back over here, you guys, for the pinning, okay? Sure. You can do that. That'll work.
All right, this is the Academic Honor Roll Award. The next award is an Academic Honor Roll Award in recognition of demonstrating a growth mindset and meeting learning targets for the fall semester. These students received A's and B's in all their classes and averaged a grade point average between 3.5 and 3.99. Wow. First one, Andrea Alvarez. Brianna.
Right over here, sweetheart. I'll go over. I'm going to pin you first.
Brianna Vaquero. Jocelyn Barreras. Daniel Chavez. Isabella Cubarrubia. Dora Franco. Sofia Gonzalez. Isaac Lizardo. Sorry. Natalie Munoz. Aneli Pineda. All right, I'm going to apologize if I say this wrong. Is it Dania Sandoval? Donna. Is it Donna? Dana? Sandoval? No, it's not here. My apologies. And last but not least, Marvin Vaquero.
Thank you. One more hand, guys.
Okay, good morning, everyone. So, today I'm going to be presenting the Academic High Honor Roll Award. The next award is an Academic High Honor Roll Award in recognition of demonstrating a growth mindset and meeting learning targets for the fall semester. These students received straight A's in all their classes and maintained a 4.0 grade point average. That is awesome. So let's start. Fabian Andrade. Anthony Hernandez. Jana Lindley. Christopher Main. Mia Newton. Batia Peña. Jimena Cirondia. And lastly, Jocelyn Trujillo. Congratulations, everyone. Perfect, thank you.
All right, give another hand. Congratulations to all of you, and thank you for being such a great audience. Just a friendly reminder, and you're doing a great job masking up, sanitizing, and getting your hands washed when you can with soap. And those of you that are interested, or your family is discussing vaccinations if you haven't already, and if you already have been vaccinated, the CDC is recommending that wonderful booster shot, right? How many of you are boosted already? Oh, a few of you, yeah. Yeah. I figure teachers, most of the staff is boosted, but you'll get there, right? And hopefully this will be over and done with and we'll be back to normal. But thank you so much. Congrats to all of you, and we'd like to see more of you recognized in June. Keep working hard, and your first 5 weeks is coming out, Mrs. Marks, when? Progress reports? In a few weeks, yes? So your progress reports will be coming out in a few weeks. Remember to take advantage of those office hours. If you're needing help with assignments or you need to complete assignments, take advantage of those office hours before your progress grades come out. All right? Let's give it up one last time for everyone, and thank you for giving your best every day. Have a good one and a wonderful weekend.